Would knowingly hit a pedestrian or a bicyclist on the road and then just take off, leaving them there. More people than you may think, according to the Highway Patrol. Fox 13's Lloyd Sowers joined us live from Hillsborough County, where state troopers are investigating a lot of these hit-and-run cases. Lloyd.
Yeah, we hear about them on the news every day, Haley, and today we heard the numbers. Around 300 hit-and-run cases per month in Hillsborough County alone. And now state troopers are asking for help to stop the drivers who would take off after a crash.
The evidence includes some of the shattered pieces of a hit-and-run vehicle. In one weekend earlier this month, 2 pedestrians were killed in separate hit-and-run crashes on US 92 in East Hillsborough. Troopers say they have some leads.
We got to track down those vehicles. We had to find them, and then the hard part, that's when the challenge really starts, is putting that driver behind the wheel to be able to make those charges.
At a press conference to highlight the growing epidemic of hit-and-runs, troopers say video evidence can help, like this dramatic footage of a boy hit on a bike. Amazingly, he was okay.
When it hit me, I tried to push away from it so it wouldn't get so bad.
The driver of that white car followed the hit-and-run SUV driver and called 911. Penalties for hit and run, troopers say it's best to stay at the scene.
People get scared and they leave the scene when it's not even their fault. But the moment you leave the scene of a crash, you've taken a bad situation and made it worse.
Even if you get ticketed for no insurance or a violation, troopers say it's better to stay.
I'd rather just give you a ticket and be done with it, and instead of taking that and tracking you down and putting you in jail, putting you in prison, taking you away from your family, your job, paying thousands of dollars in legal fees.
Troopers say if you're in a crash, render aid to the victims, call 911, take pictures, and stay at the scene.
If you witness a crash, or if you have information on a crash, perhaps those 2 that are unsolved out in East Hillsborough County that killed those 2 people, you can call Crime Stoppers at 1-800-873-TIPS. You don't have to give your name. You can remain anonymous, and Haley, you could get a reward. Troopers would like to have your help in solving these crimes.
Yeah, it's unfortunate you have to continually remind people to do the right thing, or at the very least make sure the other person gets the medical help they need in that situation. But yeah, you got to stick around.